In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Figma files in CMYK format to ensure your colors look spot on when you print them. If you've ever tried moving your Figma designs from the screen to the printer, you've probably run into the same issue. Figma works in RGB, but printers need CMYK. This often means that without the right steps, your printed designs might not look quite as vibrant or accurate as you'd hope. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this process so you can prep your designs for professional printing or print-on-demand services without any guesswork or hassle. Let's dive in. First, open up Figma in either your browser or through the desktop app, whichever you prefer. With your design file open, take a look at the bottom of the left sidebar. Here you'll find the Actions menu. This is an important section where Figma keeps its array of extra features and helpful add-ons that can enhance your design workflow. Click on Actions and then select Plugins and Widgets. A search bar will appear. This is where the magic happens. Type in Print for Figma. You're specifically looking for a plugin called Print for Figma CMYK. This is an incredibly useful tool that takes the RGB colors in your design and converts them to CMYK, the color format used by printers. Once you've located the plugin, go ahead and install or open it. This process should be quick and straightforward, and once loaded, you'll see a special panel pop up in Figma guiding you through how to export your designs. Next, you're going to click the Export button inside the plugin. At this point, you'll choose the frames or pages of your design that you'd like to convert to CMYK. The plugin provides export settings that you can adjust according to your specific needs. If you're not too sure about these settings, don't worry. The default options are generally suitable for most standard print jobs, ensuring you get a consistently good result. It's important to note that using this plugin for CMYK export requires a Figma Pro account. If you're currently on Figma's free plan, you'll see a notification prompting you to upgrade. Although it's an extra step, the professional access you gain with a Pro account really unlocks some powerful features and proves valuable, especially if you are serious about client or print work. And there you have it. Once exported through the plugin, your design will be fully CMYK ready, poised for professional grade printing. I hope this walkthrough made the process much clearer and less intimidating. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps support the channel. Got questions about Figma exporting or print design in general? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick, practical design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.